Don't Tell, Class 3 English, prepared by the Balajai Daddy, PRT, KV Meenambakam.
Don't tell. In this poem, there is a child who expresses his feelings about himself and his elders. The child feels sad because elders do not allow him to do certain things. They think that he is too young to do these things. But the child thinks that he is really very strong inside. He can do many things which elders thinks he cannot do. He only wants to get a chance in order to show his capability. Don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough, they say. So I patiently wait. Till I'm all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they give me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows. No, nobody knows that I'm really giant inside. A giant inside. Written by Irene Yates.
TLOs, Targeted Learning Outcomes. Children recite the poem with the proper rhyme, rhythm, and intonation. Learn new words and make use of it in their daily speech. Make sentences of their own with the words. Practice pronunciation of words correctly. Speak coherently on the given topic. Identify the rhyming words. Write answer to the simple questions. Write on the given topic. Identify the contracted form and full form of words. Draw different types of professions. New words and its meaning in sentences. Enough, as much as needed. I had enough lunch with my friends. The work is not enough. Chance, possibility. You should take a chance with this question. There is a chance of winning the game. Giant, of a huge size. I saw a giant building near my house. I saw a giant animal in my dream. Patient, to be able to wait for something for a long time. My teacher was very patient with the students. Being patient is always helpful. Answer the following questions. How old is the speaker? The speaker is a child. Who are they and them in the poem? They are the parents and them is all the people in the poem. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? The speaker is hiding the giant inside him. Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. They won't let me cheat in the exams. They won't let me tell lies and speak rudely to anyone. What are the things you would like to do when you are grown up that you can't do now? I would like to ride on a bike and drive a car when I grow up. Now pick the verbs from the lesson. Present tense, past tense, present participle and past participle. Say, said, saying, said. Wait, waited, waiting, waited. Grow, grew, growing, grown. Show, showed, showing. Give, gave, giving, given. Know, knew, knowing, known. Tried, tried, trying, tried. Now contractions. What is contraction? A contraction is a shortened form of a word. The most common contractions are made up of verbs. Look at these words in the poem. Don't, am, I'll, won't. Here are their full forms. Don't, do not, am, I am, I'll, I will, won't, will not. Now write the full forms of the following words. Can't, cannot, it's, it is, isn't, is not, what's, what is, that's, that is. Make sentences using the following. He's a shy boy. She's the monitor of her class. You're the best brother. We are from the same school. Pick the rhyming words from the poem. Let, yet, wait. Show, grow. Day, Pick the opposites from the poem. Lot, few. Big, small. Enough, insufficient. Wait, go. Grown up, childish. Show, cover. Now, then. Giant, dwarf. Multidisciplinary project. How can you correlate this poem with other subject? In English, we speak about the things you'll do when you grow up. Hindi, speak a few things that your parents won't let you do now. Maths, how many new words have you learned from the alphabet starting with your name? Music, you sing or recite the poem, don't tell. Day-to-day life, try to do the things according to your age. Wait till your chance comes to show your capacity. Art, draw any picture of any profession you like. Toy integrated learning, make a stick paper puppet of profession you like. Activities from this lesson, sing or recite the poem, express the things which you like to do when you are grown up. List the things which you like to do now and your parents are not allowing you to do. Explain the grammar part, explain the contractions, do the phonics activity, the words starting with PAT. You select the words for your level. Make a stick paper puppet of profession you like. Bye.